I like curry, I like turkey, and I love soup. Let's put it all together. This is a curry turkey soup. Great flavor, easy, different, and yummy. You are going to like this one. Stay tuned. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. This is a good recipe for using leftover turkey or chicken. If you have some leftover turkey or chicken, you can skip this step. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding some oil and a little over a pound of diced boneless turkey thighs. A little salt and black pepper, stirring and cooking for 5 to 8 minutes, or until the turkey is done, removing from the pan and setting to the side. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding some onions, celery, carrots, and a little salt and black pepper, stirring and cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the description box below. Next, I'm adding some fresh corn, and you can use canned or frozen. This is 1 cob. You can add whatever veggies you have or like. I also like cauliflower in this soup. It really gives a nice flavor and texture. You can use mushrooms, zucchini, squash, peas, or even some potatoes would be good. This is optional, but I'm adding a finely diced chopped seeded jalapeno for a little kick. Some minced garlic, curry powder, and some turmeric. Giving that a good mix, stirring and cooking for 1 minute. Don't worry about the browning and tidbits on the bottom. That is just going to add some additional flavor. I love that smell. Now for some liquid. This is some homemade chicken broth, and I'm adding a total of 6 cups. Turkey broth would even be better, or you could use vegetable broth. Turning my heat up to bring up to a simmer. Throwing in a couple of bay leaves and giving it a good stir, remembering to scrape the bottom to get all that flavor. Once up to a simmer, I'm adding some rice, giving that a good stir, turning my heat down to low, covering and cooking for 20 minutes. If you like this curry turkey soup recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. You can also find me on Facebook and Tess Cooks For You blog. Feel free to share this video recipe with your friends and family. It's been 20 minutes and the kitchen is filled with that awesome curry smell. Fishing out the bay leaves and we're almost done. In goes the turkey and all the juices, giving it a good stir. This is also the point where you want to add your cooked leftover turkey or chicken. Now I'm adding some coconut milk. This will add some wonderful flavor and a creamy texture. You can also use cream or half and half. Remember to taste for any additional seasonings. Another good mix and cooking for another couple minutes and the soup is ready. Serving tonight with some garlic knots and a little fresh chopped parsley on top. This curry turkey soup is so easy and delicious. Yes, it tastes as good as it looks. I love it all. Everything shines through. The turkey, veggies, rice, the heat from the jalapeno, spicy from the garlic and curry, and the coconut milk. Well, it just brings it all together. A great way to use leftover turkey or chicken. I hope you give this curry turkey soup a try and enjoy. And thanks so much for joining me here in my kitchen. You can subscribe here for my future video recipes. And remember to come visit me on Facebook. You never know what I might be cooking. Until next time, much love.